Has anyone made money on the Olymp Trade platform? I came across this question on Quora yesterday and I thought, I have earned so much money in Olymp Trade. So, why not do a video review to help answer this person? And what better way is there to give a legit Olymp Trade review than to show my withdrawals and account balance too? Again, has anyone made money on Olymp Trade? Check the image on the screen and decide that for yourself. With all that proof, do you still not believe that there is money to be made in Olymp Trade? Here's how to make money with your phone in Olymp Trade, for beginners. Step 1. Register an account in Olymp Trade. If you have not created an account in Olymp Trade yet, you may want to create one with the link on the description of this video. You will get $10,000 demo units which you can use for trading practice and figure out the Olymp Trade platform. Step 2. Fund your Olymp Trade account. To start trading and make up to $20 daily with your Olymp Trade account, you will need to make a deposit to your trading account. On your trading platform, you will need to click on the deposit button and choose a deposit method. Other than using your bank card to fund Olymp Trade, you can fund your account via Skrill, Neteller, AdCash, Non-Long Payment Gateway, UPI, AstroPay Card, GlobePay, Bitcoin, BNI Bank of Indonesia, Baukim, M-Pesa. Whichever method you choose to fund your account, the process begins with going to the deposit menu on the Olymp Trade platform and keying in the deposit amount, choosing the deposit method, and following the rest of the prompts to complete the deposit process. How to fund Olymp Trade with M-Pesa, step by step. Go to your Safaricom SIM toolkit. Select M-Pesa menu. Choose Lipa NA M-Pesa. Select Pay Bill. Enter business number 589036. Enter account No. Will be part of the instructions. Key in amount, shown in the instructions. Enter your M-Pesa PIN and press OK. Your payment will automatically be confirmed once you approve. The minimum deposit in Olymp Trade is only $10. And if you have followed the instructions to this point, you should have a trading account and have at least a $10 account balance. Now to the third step. How to trade easily in Olymp Trade to make $20 per day. Now, in order to start making money with your new Olymp Trade account, you will need to do the following. Choose an asset to trade. You can pick commodities, indices, currency pairs, or cryptocurrencies. Next, you will need to choose a chart pattern that works. Japanese candlestick is the simplest and most commonly used chart patterns in trading. Should your chart be showing anything other than Japanese candlesticks, change it. But picking a chart pattern and choosing an asset isn't everything you need to begin making money. As a rule of thumb, you need to always use a strategy while trading. Some of the simplest trading strategies in Olymp Trade will involve the use of indicators such as moving averages, momentum indicators, oscillators, and drawing tools. For this tutorial though, I'll only show you how to use one indicator. You can watch the next video at the end of this to learn how to use other indicators. Do you know where to find these indicators in Olymp Trade? Click the indicator button at the bottom left to reveal all indicators in Olymp Trade. 4. Set the time frame. Last but not least, you need to set the chart time frame to 1 minute. At Olymp Trade, you can set the chart time from 15 seconds to 1 month. If you set the chart time frame to 1 minute, it simply means that each of the candlesticks on the chart will be formed in 1 minute. For a chart time frame of 1 minute, set the trade duration to 2 minutes. How to place your first trade in Olymp Trade. With everything set, you can begin to start trading in Olymp Trade. You will open up trades if you see your chart crossing the SMA line from the bottom upwards. And down trades, if you notice prices crossing the SMA line from the top down. Managing risks while trading with this method. There are various money management strategies that you can apply to your Olymp Trade account to grow your account while conserving capital. One of those methods is the martingale trading method. This strategy involves doubling the trade size every time you face a loss. Anti-martingale trading method. This is a reverse of the martingale. It involves halving a bet each time there is a trade loss and doubling it each time there is a gain. In order to make $20 daily with this strategy and the above money management methods, you will need to win at 5/5 trades. Now, this is manageable. If you lose any of your trades though, you should continue trading till you to get it. It will only trade a few winning trades to succeed. Click the video on the screen to learn more about trading. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification button to receive alerts when I post future videos. See you on the next video.